Now to the growing concern of migrants at the U.S.-Mexico border. A Texas city is now under a state of emergency as it sees a surge of migrants. It comes as Title 42, a Trump-era border policy, is set to expire in 3 days. ABC's Alexis Christoforous has more on what authorities are calling a humanitarian crisis.
Thousands of asylum seekers sit along the southern border, waiting to see if they'll be able to enter the U.S. without fear of being deported. A judge had set a deadline for December 21st to end Title 42, the Trump administration policy put into effect in March of 2020 to curb illegal immigration during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. Texas Governor Greg Abbott was one of several Republican governors suing to keep it in place. But on Friday, a federal appeals court denied the request. Governor Abbott tells ABC's Martha Raddatz letting Title 42 expire will cause chaos.
It's going to be catastrophic not just for Texas, but for the United States of America.
He argues that letting thousands of people into the country without knowing their health status is potentially dangerous. But immigration advocates call Abbott's position hypocritical.
They have been fighting to end COVID restrictions everywhere except for asylum seekers.
Saturday, El Paso Mayor Oscar Leeser declared a state of emergency, saying there are already hundreds of migrants living in unsafe conditions on the streets of his city, and they're worried even more will arrive come Wednesday.
Talking to some of our federal partners, they really believe that on Wednesday our numbers will go from 2,500 to 4,000, 5,000, or maybe 6,000. And when I asked them, I said, do you believe that you guys can handle it today? The answer was no.
The city's deputy city manager says the emergency declaration also allows them to offer other options to transport migrants to other cities. The GOP states who filed the lawsuit tell ABC News they will appeal to the Supreme Court. Alexis Christoforous, ABC News, New York.